Well, right now I'm going to attempt to replace the cable to the lever to operate the blades for the riding mower. So I bought this new and I'm hoping it will work. It should. So what I have to do, I have to see this right there where my finger is. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see if I can zoom in. There's a little knob that sticks out. I have to put this piece here and hook it onto that little knob there. That's going to operate the lever, pull the cable, so that when you lift up on this, it will start the blades. And then this one hooks on the bottom, just above the blade tray, which is right down here. So I'm going to see if I can do it. Take the gear off. Okay. Instant vision. All right, let's see here. Clutch cable snapped on me last time, so I can't cut the grass until I get this fixed. The engine froze up on me. I got that fixed. There we go. Because the reason being, you have to take this off because you have to get this piece out. The cable slides through this, but you can't get it unless you take it off. You need to kind of pinch it with the pliers right there. And there you go. Slides right out. Now this end of the cable right here will hook onto this piece right here. See that? Right there, like that. See? So that's what we're planning on doing. And then I gotta figure out where to hook it to the deck, but I got a pretty good idea. So first things first, this still there, push it back in. And that should snap right in. There you go. Okay. Just tighten it up. Okay, so just like so. Now we can put this back. Okay, let me show you what I did so far. I got this clamped onto the to the handle, and then I have put the new piece in and ran it through this hole right here. Okay, and then it goes down to the deck, so that's where we'll be working next. I put the deck down as low as it could go, so I can see. Here's my cable that I just pulled from up there, and remove this piece that holds this in place, and then it just slides right out. So this is the old one. So now that can go. We don't need that anymore, because here we got our new piece. See, everything's in there. Yes, we got our new piece here that came with everything. $32 for the cable, spring and everything. And let me see if I can get underneath here and figure out how to do this without having to take the whole deck out. I might have to take the whole deck out. We'll see. Okay, so right there you can slide the wire cable. Where am I? Through there. See that? And then you just push it in. And this other plastic piece holds it in place. It's not easy trying to hold the camera and doing this. Okay, this is the plastic piece right here. You have to put it in. I gotta do it the other way. It's just like this. There we go. And then this one goes on top. There's a little notch on the top of this piece here, and you just slide that right on top of that, like so, and then push it down, and it should hold it, okay, so that it won't come out. See, it's actually pretty easy. Now for this spring I gotta hook that, I believe it's the middle wheel. So the only one I see is this one. So I think it goes right in there like that, and then there's a clip that you put on it to hold it in place. Okay, so I did not have to take the deck out, because what I did is again, ran it from here straight through the other side, and then it hooks onto this here, and then there's a little hole right there. See that? And that's what you're going to put your pin, and I need to find it. Oh, here it is. I have to straighten it out, but just to show you, you'll have a pin like that, and you slide it right through the hole. So you see the pin right here through that little hole. Once you secure that, you're done, and the clutch cable is replaced and it's brand new. It took me, I don't know, 5-10 minutes to figure this out. It wasn't that difficult. But there it is. There's a tension spring, and then it goes into here. Push that down so that it doesn't come off. Nice and tight. Here's your cable that goes all the way up. You have to remove the gas tank. There's 2 screws, one here, one here. You set your tank aside. It's empty right now, so. And then the cable comes up from down there through this hole and up to the lever, which is now tight. So I'm going to leave it tight until I put the pin in, and then I will loosen it up. Straightened out that pin that was bent and stuck it back in there, so it's not moving. That's what holds it in place. And then now we simply screw the ball back on. There you go, the over torquer. And I just released it, put my key in. I don't know if I got enough fuel to test it, but I'm going to give it a shot. Gas tank back on. I need to go get some fuel. Okay, so I'm not entirely sure, but I'm just thinking it's a little loose in here. So I'm gonna put a zip tie that it came with the kit, and zip tie that right there, just like so. Running on fumes. Alright, so I guess now we can go get a little gas. I can cut my grass. So all of the videos that I saw on YouTube were showing taking out the entire deck out the bottom, and I managed to do it without doing all that. So you saw, if you can use it, great. If it could help you, you know, if you've never done it before, like me. and if not, that's fine. Again, I'm not trying to teach anybody. I'm just showing you what I did, and just first time. But there's a first time for everything, right, guys? So anyways, that's it for this segment. See you later.